Hi everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to buy an Amazon gift card. So the best way to buy an Amazon gift card is you can buy it through online. So on online, what you can do, if you simply go to amazon.com, so just open up amazon.com and then you can search for an Amazon gift card here on the search bar. So just search one, and then when you search for it, then select the Amazon gift card e-gift card option here. So simply select the e-gift card option, and then what you have to do now here is choose how do you want the design. You can choose a standard design, then you can choose any of this design here you want, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to type in the amount that you wish to add to this card. Just do that and then fill in all these delivery details, whether you want to send it as a message or an email. You can just select that and then enter the email address, and then any personalized message you have, you can write that, and then the quantity, you can just type in how many cards you want, and then the delivery date when you want this to be delivered and activated. So you can just type that in. Once that's done, hit on add to cart, and then simply complete the order, make the payment and complete the order like how you normally do a purchase on amazon.com. So this is the easiest way how to purchase an gift card through online, which is an e-gift card, or else you can also get it through standard from your standard resellers, like a physical card from your standard shops or resellers that sells gift cards. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.